Hey everybody, Chris Bober here with Team Bober at Nebraska Realty. Welcome to fall. November's here. We're a week before Thanksgiving, or a couple of weeks, and we are still going out there in the marketplace. In fact, we have a new listing today. I want to take you on a quick little tour through. It's 806 North Harrison Street in Papillion. Beautiful neighborhood here. Hunter's Crossing, kind of a hidden gem in Papillion. But let's go in and take a look at this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, huge 3-car garage. That is just a beautiful place and a great find. So let's go have a look. All right, as you come in here, the one thing you're going to notice is that most of this house has been updated, right? New flooring, new paint all the way throughout. Nice open floor plan. And off to the right here, give you a quick look here. You got a nice little office. Let you work from home, as so many of us are these days. Let's just pop on upstairs and see what we got. Now, there are 4 really large bedrooms up here, and every single one of them has a walk-in closet. That's what's pretty amazing about this property. You look at the closet in this bedroom, you come all the way around here, and wow, look at that. New flooring, new shelves, just a nice big closet. To go with a pretty nice sized room here too. New fixtures, just like ceiling fans, those have been redone. As you can see, the carpet is new, as well as the paint. So when we go around here, here's another bedroom. Again, another walk-in closet. As you come around here, see nice features in this house here. So coming back around, we do have a couple more bedrooms up here. Here's one of the bathrooms. As you can see, it's in pretty nice shape. It's been redone too. Shower tub. Does some nice wainscoting there too, but it has been painted. Of course, it's very nice. Across the hall, we have yet another bedroom. Very large bedroom. New ceiling fans, new carpet, new paint. And of course, a walk-in closet. So very rare to find a home with so many bedrooms with so many walk-in closets. So as we come around this way, we're going to have the master bedroom. Now this has some pretty cool features I'm going to take you through here. Let me pop the lights on here for you. Oh, no, they didn't come on. There we go. This is a large room. It's got a nice recessed ceiling with a new ceiling fan. Very beautiful. Tons of room here. And then we have the master bathroom here. A nice whirlpool tub. As you can see, it's got tile all throughout. There's the shower. Newly painted cabinets, walls. Very beautiful. Now here's the cool thing about this. This has so much room that it has 3 walk-in closets, right? Here's one of them right here. Nice little closet here. Walk in. This is pretty standard for most master bedrooms, but if I take you over here, you're going to see that you also have another 2 closets, really, technically. Right, here's one right here. And then, of course, there's more storage space back here as a closet. So really, that equals about 3 master closets for just one master bedroom. And that, along with the master or walk-in closets for the other 3 bedrooms on this top level. And you have a pretty unique property, right? Very nice. Very nicely done up here. So as I go along here, I'm going to pop the lights off. Save some energy here. All right, so that's the top level. As you can see, I'm coming down the hallway here in the mirror. But a nice, very, very spacious up there. 4 bedrooms, all walk-in closets with a master with 3 huge closets. Now we get down to the main floor. Big, open, and inviting layout here with the floor plan. Walking into the kind of the living room area, as you can see, you got a very nice fireplace. Nice entertaining area just to relax. And of course, it is all the way open to a kind of a dining room area, but very large. That's a large table that's in here. And a kitchen that's been fairly well updated. Newer painted cabinets, stainless steel appliances, things like that. You know, I wanted to give you a quick little view of the outside. And you have a beautiful, it's a very large backyard. It's kind of cool because as you look out here, you can see it's all fenced in. Fire pit. They just took it. They had a garden there. They took it out. Now up there, I'm not going to walk all the way up there. You can look at the pictures. But there's a nice little pond that has like a little stream to it. So that's pretty cool. As we come around here, I'm standing on like an elevated wooden deck. And then you have a patio over here with a nice little pergola above it. Pretty cool. All fenced in if you're a dog lover. Want to let the kids run around the backyard. Pretty nice. So as we go back in, this back here in the closet, and there's a huge 3-car garage, has its own furnace. I'm going to update some pictures. They're cleaning it up right now, so I'm not going to shoot back there right now. But we also have back here off the kitchen, we have a laundry room with washer and dryer. So right off the garage that goes out there, they have the laundry room, a drop area, closet, and then you come around here to the kitchen, which is all very nicely done. As you can see, very open floor plan here too. Of course, right off the kitchen, we have a little powder room, toilet, and sink. All right, so now that we've seen the top 2 levels, let's take a look at the basement. Now, this is pretty cool too. This basement's been all redone. And as we go down here, you'll see it's pretty cool. Nice, beautiful area for entertaining. You got a 3-quarter bath here with a shower and a sink and everything you need in here for entertaining for people down here. Now this basement also features a nice little bedroom down here too. So if you come around this way, there's a fireplace and a nice little carpeted area. And then of course we do have an official bedroom back here. It's got the egress window right over here, and of course closet space. But as we look back around, you can see how big this basement is. Now, they have a pool table down here for entertaining. You can put whatever you want. You can build a bar down here. This would be a beautiful area to have like a little bar. But it's all finished. It's all in great shape. Nice tile floor. Nice and clean. And they got some more storage kind of going back there. So, as you can see, this is a pretty special property, right? It's got a ton of upgrades all the way throughout. The owners really have taken meticulous care to get this property ready for market, right? They went about the expense of putting pretty much new paint and floorings all the way throughout the house. They updated so many things in here. And I think priced in the upper 300s, it's still a heck of a deal. So if you want more information about this, I'll definitely include the link in the comments below. But it's just out here off of about 84th and Giles, south of that, right very, very close to the Terry Hills Golf Course. So priced in the upper 300s, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, very well updated, huge garage, big yard. It's just perfect. So if you're looking to live in Papillion, give us a call, and we would love to take care of you. Have a great day.